Have you guys ever wondered how we're always so accurate and our flywheel always is at the exact right speed and it always makes it into the basket? Well, this is how. Basically, we used spreadsheet regression algorithm. So basically all we did here was we just put in the distance, right? And then we chose a flywheel speed that seemed to work well. Use velocity, not power, because power is based off battery, how much the battery's charged. So like for 38, we did 960. That was good for us, but yours will be different probably, unless you copied our entire design. So basically, this is the thing that we used. So this is a graphic showing all our points. This is the 38,960 that I just showed you. And then we used linear regression in this, and it basically just fits a line to the best point. And then if you look here, like right here, not after this R, that's how accurate it is. So mine's like 97% accurate. But basically all that matters is this right here. So this like 7 point or whatever is the most accurate stuff. And that's the algorithm that you're going to plug in. X would be like your distance, and then it would output your flywheel speed. So that's how we got super accurate flywheel. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.